Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to actually discuss about horse popping. You know, when I see people actually defending him, defending all the Yahoo people around, blaming the government entirely that it should be the government that we should tackle, that not the government steal from you, don't the government do this, don't the government do that. I want to tell you that either you don't have sense, eh, or don't be offended though, but it's either you don't comprehend things well or you are actually evil yourself. You're actually one of them hustling that way. Because I want to tell you this, it is the same thing as saying that because the governments are bad, they should allow criminals and all the killers, all the robbers, that they should just allow them to keep looting and keep, robbing the innocents. That is the same thing you are saying. Tell me which is more evil. That yes, the government is bad, stealing, and they are not giving us job. There is so many corruption, embezzlement of fund, and so many other ways that the government treats us bad that you can't even that you find it very difficult to make it in life if you are hustling very legitly. Then someone will hustle with use his own hard in strength and everything and hustle and make money. The person now makes money or a little thing that the government will give the person as the person holds this thing to feed himself and his family, then someone somewhere else will come and plug in that money and take the money away. Just reason it, if you are the one, they take the whole money away. The government is destroying their life, and then another person also come and take the little that the person have already hustled for. How do you think you will feel if you are the one? Hmm? They are two the same thing. Those Yahoo boys, those criminals, those robbers are the same as those corrupt politicians. They are the same, and they should all be treated equally as the same. You should not be saying, okay, they should leave them. That is no, it is not. In fact, I know of someone that after graduating from school in Enugu State, he couldn't get a job. Their parents had to hustle, look for money, sell some properties, and then give him money. He went to Calabar and established a business there, and he was making it. He was already, in fact, he already bought a car and was already building house before he fall into the hands of 419 and was being defrauded all in the name of importing cheaper goods for him. He defrauded him all his money and he was left with nothing. He came back, he was so devastated. In fact, he got depressed and he got mad. For good 5 years, this person was not himself. They were just taking him here and there to know whether they could revive him. Well, I thank God that recently he's getting better, but he's still not of himself even till now. That is what a Yahoo, all this fraud have done to this person. If you put yourself in that shoe, that is when you will understand that each and every one of these things that these people are, all the crime should be tackled and they should be brought to justice. Even the corrupt government, they should all be brought to what? To justice. So nobody should defend anybody. Get me? We all have to hustle legally. Yes, the government is bad. That is why we are calling on each and every citizen to have one voice and not just be talking, but let us move with an action. And we'll be able to defeat corruption. I know corruption cannot go. There cannot never be zero corruption. But if the citizen are speaking with one mind and they do things with one heart, we could achieve something that would be better for us. Not being here trying to look for an illegal way to make it and then you abandon the other one. You now say you have to hustle your own way. That is what is making the innocent people now. They are thinking that hustling legit can never give you money, that you can never make it without hustling right. But what I want to tell you is this: the evil that every man do must caught up with you one day. That is one thing that is known for sure. Thank you very much for watching and please help me and subscribe. Thank you very much.